Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of your Audible app on mobile. And if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. So I'm using an iPhone in this video, but it's the exact same on Android. And basically I have the Audible app downloaded on the bottom right of my device. I'm going to now launch the Audible app. And then from there, press continue. And what you need to do is basically type in your email and password and then press the continue button. I'm going to do that now. So guys, now that I've typed in my email and password, all you need to do is press continue. And now we are successfully logged into the Audible app on your mobile device. So if you actually wanted to log out, what you need to do is go down to the bottom right, the profile section, click in there, and then basically up at the top left, there's a gear icon. Click there and scroll all the way down until you see the sign out button. Press sign out, tap sign out again. And that's you completely signed out or logged out of your account on Audible. From there, if you actually wanted to sign back in, just press the sign in button. And that will take you back to the original screen where you can press continue and log back into your account. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.